Breathing deeply with a slow, steady inhalation to exhalation ratio signals our parasympathetic nervous system to calm the body down. Taking long, deep breaths can also manage our stress response to help decrease anxiety, fear, racing thoughts, and rapid heartbeats. So, these responses can directly impact our physical, mental, and emotional health and longevity. This is very important. What even gives more value to breathing properly is also adding a creative word to it. What do I mean by creative word? Creative word is the word that God released when He created the universe, when God created everything. In the book of Genesis, it says that God breathed upon all things. We came from the breath of God. So, what a proper breathing does is it also regulates the way you speak. You don't have to rush in responding. Jesus will say that I speak as I hear. If you're struggling to connect with the Holy Spirit, practice allowing the Holy Spirit to breathe through you. You don't rush to speak, you don't rush to respond to people. You speak calmly because you're waiting to hear before you speak. This breathing technique will definitely help you. We breathe in 4 seconds, we hold 7 seconds, we release 8 seconds. By releasing, you're releasing through your mouth. You release through your mouth. The difference between releasing through the nose and the mouth is when you release through the mouth, you're also opening your vocal cord. You're also opening the throat because you know that when it comes to emotional stress or emotional negative emotion, they hold onto our voice. So you are pushing it out by opening your mouth.